So hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this is Brothers Vlog. So कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ everyone? So I hope everyone is fine. So आज चाहिँ हामी mukbang challenge गर्न आँटेको. So we have के हो दादा भनिदिनुहोस् के छ हाम्रोमा आज?
Biryani. Here is our momos.
के
And here
मोमो
is
त?
what chicken momo I guess. And this is our what it called fale.
Fale, but it is steamed fale. So
And
yeah.
here is here our chicken. Here is our egg. And it is in our biryani. So this is our what is called purified water.
So yeah everyone, so without any further ado, let's begin the mukbang. So 1, 2, 3, go.
So everything hey.
It will listen, sound will come.
Take it.
No, I don't want to eat. Oh,
You eat.
so let's start the mukbang. Oh my god.
Right, I'll put that there.
This is our chicken momo with some spicy achar. Achar is in this one, so you can see.
Itu pun boleh lah malah.
Yeah.
Momo.
You can again.
Biryani tak suruh boleh lah. Okay, kau ni dah.
Okay, kan?
Kau boleh cakap.
Nam ke dah?
Meru isme dah, shot isme. Betul.
Ama, subscription man.
Mereka dia kau tengok ni shot betul.
Mal थाहा छैन. Tam.
Ye biryani kau tu.
So tasty. This is our phala.
Here also look. There's a video going on. So we have fixed two camera. One is head up and one is head down. So we can get both the angle.
Let me drink water.
If you've seen my earlier videos, I have did one video with my sister. With biryani challenge. Was that also?
With me, also sister and brother.
That was the highest amount of views I had host me. So you can check earlier videos of mine. So look how my sister have add that biryani. I guess in 5 seconds or 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Huh?
My biryani almost complete. My biryani is almost completed. Wow. With Rani. Oh my god.
Thôi tao, em bắt đầu lên. Rồi.
Let's decrease the.
Leave it. See?
I think.
Huh? Ini dua dia. Nanti dia lah malah.
मकब्याङमा यसरी त खान्छ नि अन्त यो मोमो चाहिँ पुरा ठुलो छ मेरो मुखमा नि आइरहेको थिएन यहाँको क्यामेरा अफ भयो स्पेस छैन होला मलाई भिडियो डाउन पार्छ दिनु पार्नु न भयो राख्न अब कन्टिन्यू गर्नु
खानु पो पर्छ त त्यो त्यस्तो कहाँ भन्दा मुकब्याङ त
छेर्छ नखाइ त्यत्रो छेर्छ नखाइ त्यत्रो
उसको भात पनि खाइहाल्छ उसको भात पनि खाँदैन मैले
So guys, now I'm thinking that I will only do momo. I will only eat momo because my stomach and my brain मेरो सबै अब न उयो भइसक्यो मेरो स्टमक फुल भइसक्यो I'm sorry for that. I was more excited than him to do this challenge but मैले नै खान सकेन फर्स्ट टाइम हो नि त अब उयो हुँदै हुँदै जाँदैछ है म खान्छु भयो मलाई नक्कै मेरो दिमाग सबै हल्लिसक्यो साँच्ची त नाघाटी भनेको
मासु लग्यो
so he can borrow from me मेरो चाहिँ सबै I'm sorry for that for everyone I can't eat it so yeah in next video I will try my best to eat all the food so yeah this I think my mom is gonna eat so yeah he will continue the vlog and I'm gonna go so sorry for that bye everyone
कहाँ गो सिट यार I'm eating
but still I will try this one momo tasty छ नि त
water bring that
so guys so I'm done with this so yeah this is super tasty and delicious once you have to try momo in our home के भन्छ हैन भाइ तारा मलाई
I'm almost done brother
I have also completed but health is health Bye over भयो so
त्यस्तो नि एकैचोटि खान्छ के भयो टाइम बिसाएर पो खान्छ त
एकछिन टाइम बिसाउँछु त ल म हैन मेरो दिमाग अब हुन्छ नि कस्तो बौमे आउला जस्तै हुँदैछ so that's why I can't I'm sorry for this so yeah
त्यो भाँडामा राख न
I'm trying wow this is our first mukbang video so I can't do it so जब अब अर्को आउँदै आउँदै गर्छ त्यति बेला हामी आज म खाएको गर्छु सो या फर्स्टमा त हुँदैन होला नि त हुन्छ होला तर मेरो अब मलाई चाहिँ उल्कै आइहाल्यो so this is fale my mom has made
My mom is made it. Mama, English with my mom is made.
my mom has made you can see in the video
My mom is made.
my mom has made भने नि त ए my mom is made अरे आफ्नो कान चाहिँ सफा गर्नु न पहिला हामी त खानुभन्दा बेसी बोल्यो 15 मिनट उभिएको छ
Ngon cái ngon.
I'm just gonna sit like this. So we completed.
It's kind of looking dirty.
It's So
but
yeah,
we made it.
let's keep this aside.
Wow.
Let's keep this in one plate and then let's say thank you guys.
Boom.
So thank you everyone for watching our video. This is brother's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. So sorry मैले चाहिँ खाइन अन्त दादा he completed. So next time I will try my best to do that and see you guys in the next video and the next video because we are not posting our video on YouTube because we are having hectic schedule. हाम्रो चाहिँ examहरू आउँदैछ.
Businessman.
हाम्रो exam आउँदैछ फेब्रुअरीमा अन्त so we have to prepare for that and उसको पनि अलि दादाको पनि बोर्ड्स आउँदैछ so yeah त्यही भनेर we are not uploading video so sorry for that and from after February I think we will continue our video. So bye everyone. So you can say now म बेसी बोले.
Bye.
भन्नु न. Bye everyone.
See you soon. Yo, 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 Erupali, Erupali.